Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Creative Mind. I was a video to my way so our 2023 July to November dia hoisil aru tar 50% iti modhe dia hol aru 50% ase hey 50% dia ek notification ekhon prakash paise 29 April 2024 from Dr. Om Prakash IAS Mission Director Samagra Shiksha Assam to the Branch Manager Union Bank of India. To subject is transfer for remaining 50% of 4% DA area of teachers state for the period from July 2023 to November 2023 under Samagra Shiksha Assam. Yet so, sir, with reference to the subject cited above, we would like to request you to transfer a sum of 7,584,008 only debating or our SB account number iman and credit the amount to the individual account of assistant teachers under SSA in their respective saving bank account against release of remaining 50% of 4% DA area of teachers that for the period from July 2023 to November 2023 as per the list enclosed herewith. Detailed district with breakup in is shown as below. District we get dia ise kiman konhon district yet total hisab dia ise aru tolor a2 notification hoise state pool teacher karone goteke 50% dia itimodhe ami eta state pai golu aru 50% pabole baki ase 2023 July to November ji dia hey area to gotike hey area to etia 50 baki 50% dia notification ahi gol order ahi gol etia oti honkale hey 50% pabole goi ase to ekhini ade video hobi hek to good luck for all. Thanks for watching my video. More channel to subscribe kori bell icon click kori thakib punor enekwa video pai thakibo.